Hello, this is Teacher John once again, and today I want to talk about 5 different A sounds. Now, in linguistics, you move your mouth a little bit wider and wider, and you can make different A sounds. First, there's like A, then A, then 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 okay, now why don't we look at these a little bit closer. Let me come in a little bit closer to you. Okay, first let's look at the long A sound. Now I also call it the name. Now when we sing the ABC songs, those are the long A sounds, or I just call them the name of the letters, okay, the letter names. But if I'm writing it, I write a capital A and a little a. I draw a line on top. If I draw a line on top, I say that's the long A sound. Okay? So that's A. That's our first sound. Second, we have the A. That's a very common sound. The A. So we have A, then A. Now to write A, I usually put a little U on top of it, okay? Go A. There are many words that use A, like apple, and in the middle of the third three-letter word, we have as, like at cat, okay? At hat. Yeah, we have words like hat. You want to see some of my hats? How about a birthday hat or my policeman hat? Okay, so at a hat. Now there's also the word mask. Mask. I'm gonna wear a mask too. Does that do me good? Now, okay, so that's the A sound. So we have A. Now there's a sound that we use often before words. And let me draw it like this, okay? Okay, and I'm going to put a U under it, like this. Okay, now that is Now why do I do that? Why do I write like a U under the A? Because this one sounds like the sound. We say a cat, a dog, a mouse. But I usually don't like to say I usually like to say a cat, a dog, a mouse. But it's changing, and many people are singing songs going but I can't help that. So sometimes I say and sometimes say a for a dog, a teacher, a dog, a teacher. Okay. So we have 3 sounds. We have the long A, we have the short A, and we have like dog. So now I have a fourth sound I'd like to tell you about. It's not used very often. It's in this word. F A T H E R. Do you know that word? And put 2 dots for this word, this letter here. This is father. So we have A, and then there's another sound which sounds like aw. But usually this sound has an extra consonant attached to it, like ah. Let's say there's a doctor that comes, and he comes to you and he says, "Open your mouth," and he says, ah, okay, get out of here, doctor. Okay, get out of here. Also, we have all, like all together. It's the ending sound, all, and There's another sound that we use all. It's AW. Now it can be written like this, all. And there's a word that you all know. It's called STR, straw. Straw. Now straw can be this, something you drink water with. So I'll tell you what. Okay, straw. You can tear the paper here and you can blow it. And you can blow the paper from your straw and you can drink. I tell you what, okay, remember, I tell you what, don't do that if your mother doesn't want you to do it, because your mother might get angry. Okay, you don't want to get your mother angry and go, don't blow that straw in the house. Okay, don't blow that straw paper in the house. Okay, so don't get angry like that. Okay, there's also straw from the Three Little Pigs. Remember, the Three Little Pigs have straw. Well, one little pig, the not very smart one, has straw. You know, he has straw to. Well, what are you doing? Yeah, he's going to build a house. Oh, okay, a house of straw. But the big bad wolf blows this one down very much. Get out of here. Okay, so those are our 5 sounds. But I want you to remember the sounds we will do most often, like in our words, in our phonics, are the long A and the short A, which is A. So A, okay? Okay, bye-bye. I'll talk to you next time.